podcast, Radio and Stuff.
Welcome to a podcast, Radio and Stuff, one of your favorite podcasts. One day, I want to operate that camera and I want to show you the behind the scenes ale podcast. Namhlanje, our sound guy, akagqokile like an ordinary sound guy. It's like a man who's running his own office. KB is very casual, so people don't get to see these guys behind the scenes. And ngelinye ilanga na KB uyaswenke, so ngelinye ilanga soke nje sithi yabona siveze ngemumva. But thank you so much for tuning in and watching today.
Correction, this is not one of your favorite podcasts. This is your favorite podcast, the favorite podcast, Radio and Stuff. Welcome to it.
It is my favorite podcast.
And everybody else that is watching right now. So today we have a big day, and also we're talking radio. I'm quite excited because Umuntu S9 Njengamanje has been doing radio for many years. And today he'll be sharing his radio journey with us.
Yes. Ngithema ngicheka ngathola ukuthi hayi sithathe uN2 sabheka le eSouth Coast samlanda seza naye la estudio.
We have Utumbeza Lihlophe. Welcome, my guy.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningimeme ku radio podcast and stuff.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah, ngiyabonga.
Khamba kahle.
Hello, Ukraine.
Hey, looking nice, cool. Hey, ekhaya nje usaya noma usuphungukile.
Yeah, funny enough, bekade ngisekhaya ne. Kule weekend lesibuya kuyona. Yeah, ngithemba ngiphuma emsebenzini engayikhaya. And I met umngane wami engangifunda naye high school.
Great.
And sengena kuleli point lelo ukuthi I'm looking smart and stuff. So shuthi ohamba ngemoto khona lemoto lekuthiwa iguruguru. Okay.
Oh yeah, ipark.
Yeah. So uba ngasane mawuthi yami
ngisebenza ngazi imoto.
Ngiyazi guruguru.
Ngoba mina ngisebenza ngazi imoto ngizazi
guruguru. Okay.
Yeah, should uhamba ngayi awuthi yami lo moto lene. Mina kushuta ngembona abone umfana sekhaya ngilamayo. Athi kusena kundeni. Ngithi undeni bese ngene umgaqweni. Undeni igama lakhe umthandeni. So sibiza mseliqithe izindeni. Yeah. Umthandeni and then bese ngiyagijima ngiyameduza ngoba I miss imoto ukuthi mina akhohle ne handbrake, akhohle ne brake, but into excited kakhulu ukuthi wangigcina after 8 years, and emthusa kakhulu ukuthi sengizo radioweni, and yambangaza lena ukuthi even though sengizo radioweni kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngizomisa yena.
Wow. So yabona ukuthi awugodumi. 8 years wangigcina. 8 years ago
ubehlala eCape Town yena, efundise eCape Town. So manje usebuyile, yeah.
But he has raises such an important, interesting point.
Yeah.
Ukhozi is big, yabo. So now we celebrate nje ekhaya. Phela akuyona encane ukusebenza kuKhozi.
Yeah, akuyona encane ukusebenza kuKhozi, but ngeke ngisho ukuthi mina ngiyicelebrate, ngizothi nje abanye bayakujabulela ukungibona, kakhulukazi engangifunda nabo, nengikhule nabo nabangasekhaya, but akekho umuntu ofike endaweni sengiyazi ngifaka izandla sengiveka nje, emakhoneni ngifuna ukubonakala ukuthi no usekhona uLihlophe. Yabo.
Yeah.
But injani nje leyo experience mfethu uma ngabe uphindele edladleni, wazi ukuthi uLihlophe osebenzela uKhozi. One, abantu of course bayajabula ukuthi babone ukuthi ba representiwe nje. It's a sense of pride. I remember mina baningi abasakazi abaphumeni wethu and I've always loved the radio, but ongithozisa kakhulu kwakuntokozo Khuluse, because isibongo sakhe wakhuluse ndo wasentwethu. It's exciting. So mawuqhathanisa uLihlophe before uKhozi noLihlophe woKhozi, endaweni nje kunjani mangabe ukhona mawuhamba nje ubingelela excitement nasekhaya ngawe ekhaya ulihlophe wokhozi noma ulindani
no ekhanga ulindani ekhanga ulindani you know ngingathi nje uNkulunkulu wangenzela umusa you know ukuphila iphupho lakho akusibona bonke abantu ababa naleyo dlandla you know baningi abantu bekade beyifisa leyo nto ukuthi umuntu ukhulile edlala ibhola omunye ufuna ukuba umculi omunye ufuna ukuba iactor but igcine kungenzekalanga you know so mina lokho kwenzeka kumina kwaba inhlanhla you know ukukhula ngifuna ukuba umsakazi legcineni ngigcine sengiyena umsakazi so uma ngasale sengibuye ekhaya ngiyabona indlela abantu aba appreciate ngakhona into engiyenzile because yazi ukuthi ukuphumelela kwakho wena ungajela ukuthi okwakho kuphela kanti okwe community yonke you know leyangana iyaqala ifika kuwena ithi hey yazi lokuphumelela kwakho nokuzwa ukhosini FM kunginikeza ithemba nami empilweni yami so uyabona ukuthi okay it's not about me ukuphumelela but it's a hope oyinikeza abantu bangakini you know
and njengoba ekhaya kanzimako njengoba ngoba kanzimako you know I'm sure ukuthi kuyenzeka kokunye uyithola usemcimbini osekhaya noma kamakhelwane and sometimes abantu bathi hey kanti naye uyakwazi ukubamba iqueue kanye nathi aphake kanye nathi and all of that because when umuntu semuzwe eradweni automatically seba nesithombe esisakhayo ukuthi kusho ukuthi yena ngeke azakwazi ukubamba idombolo nenyama kanye nathi you understand ngeke azakwazi ukumakulayina mele you understand so that's the beauty yokuthi ubuyele ebantwini obuphila nabo babone ukuthi no you are just ordinary ukuthi ukhuluma kwi microphone
you know bekade ngitshela usisi wami nje bathi ngisekhaya ukuthi lingo April kunomsebenzi I think ukhazini you know and uma besho bathi siyacela ukuthi nifike what njengoba sinitshela eli ke senzela no Lee ukuthi abe khona
baleki nathi sobe saba no Lee sabangani bali sobe sikhona
and I'm like oh my goodness I didn't even expect that you know like
How does it feel for you, Lim? And I'm saying this because me not awkward for whatever reason. Let's say doors at the Kulumange queue. Bambi queue yogodla njengabo bonke abantu. Bese yaqoqa umsakazi. Cala ngidlulise uliba kwethu. Bese hamba uhlaliswe roomini somewhere ulinde lapha yana. I'm sure jwayele. How do you deal with that?
Yona iba ikwenza ukuthi nje yabona nje kube awkward. You know kungcono ukuthi mhlasimpe uthi mufike endaweni vele usulungiselele indawo yakho than ukuthi uthathe usuvele usuku-queue you know because lokho kunabantu othola ukuthi hey yabona abathi ukazi ukuthi unani ngoba phela naye umuntu naye yabo so lonto le iyayenza nenzondo kwabanye abantu you know iyayenza nenzondo kwabanye abantu so mina ngiyithandi ke mina leyo nto you know because angithandi ukuthi uma ngasane ngisendaweni nginikeze leyo treatment special you know ungafika nje kumina you know like usho ukuthi uyawuthanda umsebenzi wami yonke lonto anginankinga sikhulume and everything sikhulume nge-radio you know like but ukuthi musozongenza manje nami ngizongibangela amahloni nami you know ngisakwazi manje ukuthi ngirelaxe kahle la yabona mangasale sihlele kanje untokozo untobeko siyahlela siyaxoxela akekho umuntu wazi ukuthi khona umuntu osebenza okhosini la and then uyaqala because you excited wena ukuthi kusengihleli no leyo osebenza okhosini ufuna labantu babone ukuthi ngihleli nomuntu engimlayelayo and ngiyamthanda lo mjiji you know like uyazi ukuthi lo mjiji ubani usuzoyenza manje conversation yonke ke manje jike ibe ngami ke manje conversation asaxoxe ngebhola saxoxe into exoxa sesoxoxa nge-radio ke manje nokhozi ke manje nayo sekuyaqala kuba ukhwathi ke manje na kule ndawo kuhleli yabona
ukuhlale nje notshatha bakubuze kanjalo
uthi ukhozi uyahlala nje uthi ukhozi no ngiyamthanda no mama hey ungitshela mosohamba
you know
like bro like my colleagues you know like my colleagues bro
nje manje sike njengoba si-interview hey uli kanti niyazana naye it's what happens you understand
so I get that a lot like uyahlala ngempela lo John hey ngiyamthanda no awuthegrele
but then asike sithi ke ukuyilanda emumva where do you start your primary schooling uqala nje thina ngicabanga ukuthi sikwe age group ecishe ifani sasithi first year.
So ngifunde khona kwaNzimakwe eXhonyo Primary School. Ngikona la ngiqale khona mabanga wamaphansi. Ngaze ngaphuma nje ngifunda khona eXhonyo. Uma ngasane ngiphuma eXhonyo ngaya kwaMasosha High School. Ngafika kwaMasosha ngithe ngifika 8 ngafail. Ka 8, yeah.
All right.
Grade 10. Yeah, standard 8. So uma ngifika grade 10 uma ngifeyila ngathi ngiyashintsha isikole eMasosha ngiya kwesinye isikole eKhaba Secondary. You know, ideas ukuthi ngishintshe ngangiciwa ukuthi nganginomuntu enganginaye efunda ugrade 9.
I-girlfriend.
Yeah, efunda 7. Manje ngiyabona engizofunda nale ntombazana. Ngeke ngikwazi. Ngashintsha isikole. Hamba ngawufunda eKhaba, you know, ngafika ngaphasa Khaba Secondary School, ngasuka khona eKhaba ngayofunda eBheki High School. Ila ngiqedele khona ko matric wami, you know. Unfortunately ngagcina ngifailile matric, you know. Ngawufail matric. You know, like uma ngasana ufunda and ubona ukuthi lento oyithandayo ayikho la. And bese uyabona ukuthi kuyafana mangawuphasa matric mina. Ngeke ngize ngiye ndawo. You know, because lento mina engiyithandayo angiyiboni la. Yabo.
So yini le wena oyithanda ubungayiboni la esikoleni?
Ngangithanda i-radio, ngangithanda i-acting.
Okay.
So manje ngiyayibona ukuthi la ngikhona ngikude nalezi zinto lezi. Angiziboni ukuthi lezi zinto ngingafinyelela kuzona.
Okay.
Yabo, like kuyayifana noma ngaphasa nje kuyayifanela. So kangihlezi ngotshela kanjalo ama-out ukuthi kuyayifanela ngisho noma ngaphasa kuyayifanela.
Okay. So lukhangaphi ke lo luthando le radio ngoba phela angithi most of the time siyesithanda izinto because of ukuba exposed kuzona. You understand? So when olakho yini edala ukuthi uzithola uthanda i-radio?
Mina i-radio ngaba nalento ukuthi khona la ngiqashe khona ngifunde eBheki and kwakune radio uMathotholo. You know, ngiqashile. I was doing grade 11 ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
So ngangihleze ngiyilalela njalo.
Okay.
You know, so ukuyilalela kwami njalo ukuyilalela ngathi nazi mina nayo into engiyithandayo. At that time ngangidlala ibhola. Yabona nayo into engiyithandayo mina. That's nayo into engiyithandayo. But angazi lento ukuthi itholakala kanjani, ukuthi ngangena kanjani kuyona.
Ulalela bapha abasakazi ngaleso sikhathi?
Ngaleso sikhathi ngilalela Mr Magic ngaleso sikhathi. Ngiyakhumbula ngilalela kakhulu Mr Magic. Ngiyakhumbula futhi Mr Magic sengene ekseni ukuthi ngangimlalela noSiqemeza. At that time I was doing 12 to 3 at that time because I don't think ukuthi I think because I don't think ukuthi uSiqemeza no Mr Magic benza ubonge igumbi sa
it was like Sfatha.
Yeah. Like isifazana ngimlalelile show 12 to 3 ngaphinde ngamlalela futhi nange weekend.
Sure.
Yabo. Yeah, so ibona abantu engangibalela kakhulu noMroza labo nge weekend. Yabo.
Yeah. Now one thing ngoba nami radio ngiyithande ebumncaneni bami.
Yeah.
So engqondweni ugcina usuwakha isithombe yabo sakho na usakaza and usually kuzoqala ngokuthi ube nalo you know ozenza yena imitator. So wazi lo msakazo begcwele ikhanda likali yabo likalindani at that time obviously likalindani nawe uthi mangabe uhleli wedwa la emqashweni wakho usuqala umlingisele yena
kwakuyi industry kwaku Mr Magic and kwathi uma ngasanze ngiqala ngena ku radio I had to stop umlalela because I didn't want to sound njenganaye. You know, because yabona umuntu umlalela kakhulu ugcina usound njenganaye ugcina so actor njenganaye shama jokes acithi afana nawakhe yabo yonke lento umuntu athi mekulalela athi ngiyazi ukuthi ngilayele ibani lana kodwa ebelalele. So I didn't want that, you know, because umuntu ebekade ngimlalela kakhulu, you know, ngibukela kuyena. Yabo.
One of the things about our careers masase esikoleni before singene kuona siyapendelwa ukuthi uma udokotela uzoba nje sikhuluma ngezinto ezimaterial ne uma uba unurse uzoba nje mawuthisha uzoba nje. Now you are going for a career engaziwa umuntu emndenini engaziwa umuntu esikoleni. Were you sure ukuthi lento izokwazi ukusustain? Did you buke wabona yini ukuthi yakwazi ukusustain umuntu lento yokusakaza?
No, angangakaze ngiyenze research kanjalo ukuthi ngakwazi ukungisustain ngalesikhathi lesi ngisase high school yabo. So because uma wayefuna ukuthi ngibe uthisha yabo yona into eyigcwalisile ikhanda lami ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ube uthisha and stuff, you know, and mina I was not sure about that, you know, and ngathi sengisuka ngasekhaya ngiza eThekwini, you know, mangibona ibhodi elibhalwe Creative Art College.
Okay.
Ithiwe ngathi okay nayi lento engiyifunayo empilweni yami le radio.
Yeah.
And then ngaya khona ngawuthola yonke ke le information. Yabo le question ongibuza yona is the question engayibuza uma ukuthi lindani njengokuthi ufuna ukusebenza emsakazweni usuthi nje usuqalisa uregister usufuna ngikhokhele njalo ngenyanga. Mocabanga izokwazi ukusustain lo career ngathi hayi ma uyabona nje linda sibe baphila kahle, you know. Because yena umuntu akangicanga ukuthi mhlathi uzomazi ngaleso sikhathi, you know, uthi okay na abantu abathile bayasakaza nje baphila great, why uthi mina ngize ngikwazi ukuyiphila leyo mpilo le, you know. Kwaba ukuthi ke okay it's fine ngenze research ngenzayo ngathola ukuthi okay I radio ihamba kanjani and everything, you know, ngaqala ngayifunda.
Uma usebenza kuphi yena?
Uma kasakhe emhlabeni
ngisho ngalesa sikhathi
okay ngalesa sikhathi uma wayesebenzela emajaldini, you know, emakishini, you know, so into kahle yena wayifuna into ezokwazi ungenzela ikusasa elingcono. Mina wayiworried ngami because I remember 2010 kushonile iTimer iOlet lahlala lamphansi lathi lindani yabona ukuthi iTimer selishonile uwena omdala la ekhaya, so njengendoda kumele ukuthi uqale ke manje ucabanga ukuthi uzokwenzani, uzofundela ini, because kumele ukuthi ufunde, zikhona imali ephumile uzokwazi ukuthi ufunde, yisho manje ufuna ukufunda ini, ufuna ukwenzani, you know. So yilapho ngathatha khona isinqumo ukuthi okay let me just go eThekwini ngoba vele ngifailile umatric ngiyo-upgrade umatric, you know, and then mangifika ngi-upgrade umatric while I'm busy upgrading umatric it's where ngibona khona ke manje leli bhodi leli ukuthi oh nalo ukufunda kune radio uma ngiphuma ngapha ngingena ngapha, you know.
And then mo pass umatric kwakho khona okunye waqhubeka wafunda iradio, or what did you do?
Yeah, mangiqeda umatric wami ngenza ke i-radio radio production elapha ne-creative art unyaka wonke kuthena uma seku October, mase ku October yabona lama holiday lawo September ke October nga-apply eVuma,
okay,
you know, apply eVuma. Ngafika ngabona i-out ekuthiwa ubonga wakwaZulu ngafika ngathi kuse
eVuma noma eVibe.
No man, not a vibe. A vibe, not a Vuma, a vibe. Yeah. So I'm confused. Yeah, a vibe.
Yes.
So mangifike vibe ngabona i-out ekuthiwa ubonga wakwaZulu.
Sure.
So mangifika le out le ngathi kuse ngizofuna isipali la ngiyafunda endaweni ethile Creative Arts College ngenze radio. You know what le out no oshiya demo yakho lana and everything, you know. Angayishiya ke idemo yami lana wangifonela wathi no ngilayela idemo yakho ngicela ufike uzo observe. Okay ngafika ngazo observe ngaleso sikhathi ke sigelike awu ngiyiqhawe ngiyicelebrate esikoleni ngaleso sikhathi sengisemsakazweni mina bona bayayifundela lento mina sengikuyona manje lento yabo. So shoot the time ngi observe le out yayina kunginikeza ukuthi ngishaya ama link yabo ngizwakala emoyeni kwazofika isikhathi la mina ngithi khona no I want more than that, you know, sengifuna manje nami ukuba wena wethu ngifuna nami ukushaya ama link manje yabo ngihost ishow, you know, ngawukhuluma nomphathi we-Vibe uDlamini. Mengifika ngikhuluma nawo uDlamini wathi uDlamini ubizo bani ngamtshela ukuthi hayi no ngibizo uMageba, wathi hayi nomlindi uMageba sase Cape Town. Okay ngathi hayi no it's fine, ngabuyela back esigele ngayoqhubeka nokufunda yabo. Uma ngiqhubeka nokufunda ngathi angabe ngemadladleni ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngeyisenzeka lento yase-Vibe, you know. Uma ngathana ngisemadladleni ngafike ngahlala nje emadladleni kwathi ngoJanuary ngisayihlalele nje ukuthi okay ngizoqala ngi-apply yonke leyo nto ngathola i-call eqhamuka kumjida engangifunda naye out yami uSteve.
Okay.
Yeah, uSteve uyangifonela, "Hey li ukuphi?" Ngithi hayi no ngisekhaya mfethu. Uthi hey ngiyezwa lana mfethu kuthiwa kudingwa abasakazi lapha neNandi FM. Ngithi mina uthi na ya mfethu ngivele ngacabanga wena nje li. Ngathi mina hayi lalela ngiyeze eThekwini. You know angafika ngempela eThekwini ngahamba ngaya eNandi FM. Mangifika eNandi FM ngafika ngathola i-out uVictor Rose Jr.
Okay.
Mangifika the late Victor Rose Jr. Uma ngifica yena uVictor ngibese ngiyafaka izinto zami zonke yabo idemo yonkinto. Athi hayi no sizokuthinta ngoba vele siyabadinga abasakazi, yabo. Hayi ke ngihamba ngempela hayi Siphela izinsuku ethena bazofonela ngabantu abazobabiza for ama interview. Hayi, vele bekade nginikezele email, yabo, ngimsendele email, yabo. Ngimsendele email angiphendula ethi hayi, hoza kahle kahle ama interviews yawenza next week, yabo. Ngempela ngizwakale nami ngifika. Uma ngifika lapha ngishayeke lapha interview ngishayeke. Baningi, I think sasilaka u40. You know, because at that time ngo2013 iradio yeye baningi abantu befisa ukungena khona, yabo. 2013 ngempela ke ngicine ngempela ke I think ngoku February lapho ngicine ngempela ke i-interview ngiyiphasa, yabo. Besathi uzobafonela abantu ke kuyibona phasa ama interview wayizofona on Friday senza ama interview on Tuesday, and then Friday Victor akafoni ithi mina should ngiyivele interview. Monday ngisend email, dear Mr. Victor. Angiphendula hayi man ngikhohliwe ukusendela wena. Niba u4 niqashiwe uzandi. Ngempela ngifika hayi ngibona okay siba u4 ngempela. Ayishaye ngempela ke yabo sibukhombise ukuthi kwenza kanjani yonke into yabona nje. Yabo sifunde yonke into yangaphakathi eNanda. Abese asinikeza kama shows ukuthi wena uzokwenza iphi show, wena uzoyenza iphi show, wena uzoyenza iphi show. Mina bese nginikeza ke ishow yangomgqibelo ngo11 kuya ku2 niyangolosihlanu ngo11 kuya ku2
emini noma
ebusuku yeah. Menginikeza lawo mashow lawo ngempela ngoshaya lawo mashow yabo. And then ukuthi mekuphela uFebruary la around June, because inhlelo eNanda zashintshwa ngoJune, yabo, ukuthi around June bese bangitshela ukuthi hayi no list cela ukuthi usenzele Monday to Friday u12 to 3 wasebusuku.
Okay.
You know, uma ngikwenza lo 12 to 3 wasebusuku, ngithi ngisawenza u12 to 3 wasebusuku bese bakhona lensizwa lekuthiwa uBonginkosi akakhumalo, because ngeke ngimshiye ngaphandle. uBonginkosi akakhumalo kwakuyinsizwa eyithanda nayo iNanda, yabo. Athi weli njengoba ngikwazi ukuthi awuhlali la eNanda uzokwenza kanjani njengoba ushaya isho yasebusuku. Ngithi mina hayi no ngizogibela. Athi hayi ngicela uzohlala kwami emzini wami.
Nice.
Yabo.
Umlaleli noma uNkosi?
Wayisebenza nakhona. Yeah. No voluntary producer. A producer ishow yona engena ngo9 iphele ngo12 bese ngena mina, yabo. So uBonginkosi uma ngi-offerisha bese ngifonele eDladleni uma ngithi hey ma nayi office iqhamukile khona umuntu othanda ukuthi ngihlale emzini wakhe. Athi ma hayibo lo muntu nawo nkosikazi. Ngithi mina hawu nawo nkosathi hey phela ngobathemba bathi eThekwini. Ayitshela ukuthi ra. Uyayazi ra. Khona umuntu ongavela ufunile ukuthi nje uzohlala nje emzini wakhe ungakhokhi rent ungenzi lutho. Hayi nidlala mntanami yiba la, yabo. Sabi rent uzoyikhokha ngiyihlela. Nayo wena rent uzoyikhokha. Yebo, so kanti nayo my awujegrele unayo umuntu naye, yabo. Ngagcina ngile kuyena ngamtshela ukuthi ekuseni ngiyayithatha off. Mangifika ngempela nedladlela iGrand, yabo. La ngothi urumama iceleni wathi hayi no lizo relaxa lana wena, yabo. Ngathi hayi no nice, yabo. Hayi no ngaspana ke ngihlala khona. Kwathi ngo2014 babese bathi bacela ukuthi ngibenzele iDrive khona eNanda. Yeah, I did iDrive eNanda. Kwathi 2016 bathi bacela ngibenzele iWeekend Breakfast. Ngenza ke iWeekend Breakfast while I was doing iWeekend Breakfast. So ngaleso sikhathi uAmanda Khanyile wayeseqashiwe okhosini FM. So mina ngisuka la ngiyovakashela uAmanda, phela uAmanda the time ngishaya 12 to 3 ebusuku, yena wayeshaya 9 to 12 ebusuku. So sasi group nje ehlezi hamba silala sonke ngaphansi kwedesk, siyavuka ekseni, yabo, siyagoduka sonke, yabo. So ngimane ngiyomvakashela just ukufike ngifika lapha nabo environment la ngifisa ukufika khona, because mina ibubo lami ngokuvela ukusebenzela ukhozi, you know. So ngifuna ukufika nje environment yakule ndawo, ngifike ewindini ngicheck ngifone lapha ngifuna Amanda Khanyile lahliwe, Amanda sikhuluma. One day ngabona kubhaliwe ukuthiwa kunama audition edrama, ngathi Amanda ngizokuthola kunama audition edrama lana. Wathi Amanda hayi no akhona ngempela uyafisa nongena. Ngathi hey lalela ngifuna yonke into ezongifaka ngaphakathi. Wathi hayi no fika. Ngempela ke at that time I was doing breakfast.
So senze breakfast
weekend, morning shake up, you know. And ngafika lapha kuma audition angaze nga-act, yabo. Angazi nokuthi monologue enjani, script enjani, angiyazi yonke lona, but because ngifuna ukungena lana, yabo. Shuthi uma sihleli ku line nomjida kuma audition ngangihleli nenye outtake to Prince yakaZulu yabo sihleli ke ayi uMageba athi hayi mina ngiyayazi mina lento
yabo kusondela kancane
oh sorry
sure thanks ngenza singashake
oh yeah sorry
yeah
so uma ngasane ngihamba naye uMageba athi uMageba hayi mina ngiyayazi lento asihlale phansi sithi kuyirehearse kancane hayi ke sihlale ngiyayishaya ngibona ukuthi uMageba uyayazi lento uyangizwa lami ukuthi hayi liyaphendla akekho right yabo hayi siqale singene kuma singena kuthiwa hayi singene sobabili nawo uMageba because sasilandelana so ngena in pairs maqala ke singena ke siyishaya yonke lento yabo aqala uMageba ishaye ngize mina ngishaya azi uMageba shaya yize nami ngishaya athi uDoli anithule sithula athi khuluma wena akhombe mina ngithi wa wathi yes yazi yamnandi radio yazi yamnandi voice yakho ngathi ye radio yabo athi uyazwakala kodwa ukuthi awuyazi lento kodwa manje voice yakho hey no siyakuthatha wena
on the spot
siyakuthatha wena uzoshaya idrama ne shiya ama details wakho la wabhala naye phansi zonke izinto shiya ama details wakho la sesi right ngempela saphuma zoMageba yabo kwathathwa mina you know ngempela ke futhi ngasayini bangifonela ngasayini contract yabo ngaqala ke manje ngashaya idrama ukhuzini while I'm working
ngaqhubeke
enana ngisayishaya ngalo sikhathi breakfast yabo sengiqalise ngilifakile unyawo olodwa ngapha yabo sengiyabona okay hayi no futhi ngafika ngosuku lokuqala sekuthiwa kushaya idrama ayi ngabona ukuthi inzima nalento ngoba phela kuyazi sekungenile bayela ngaphakathi manje yabo abanginikeza iscript saqala ke manje sesifuna uqala amashama audition before ushawe lo mdlalo sesokudlala banginikeza futhi banginezeli i-role eyizoba kwi-leading yabo leading cast wabona uDoli ukuthi ngiyahluleka wathi hayi ngeke anganginikeze supporting yabo hayi ke ngathatha yona supporting ke hayi futhi ngayishaya futhi ke yabo ngayishaya ngaqhubeka athi ngadlala ama episode amangaki awu4 athi ngadlala ama episode awu4 lapha yabo kwaba umunye umdlalo futhi yabo kanjalo futhi yabo but imidlalo engayidlala lapha I think aba imidlalela ko5 yabo aba imidlalo la ko5 and then uma ngisuka kwi-morning shake up while I was still doing i-radio ngabese ngafakwa elento kwi hip hop ihood up yabo kwinanda bangifonela kwinanda bathi sicela ke li manje uzosenzela ke manje na ke ihood up kwinanda uye kuyenza i-morning shake up you know ngisane contract ngapha edrama nabo iyona engiboostayo ngoba uyazi phela ukuthi i-community akholwa yabo so iyona engiboosta kakhulu lento yedrama yabo ngangena ngala kwi-hip hop seku 2017 ngene ngo-2016 usuphakathi ngathi 2016 ngathi 2017 2018 ngo-March ngafonela uKhozi FM ngo-March 2018
they reached out to you
no ngangiloke ngisenda ngangiloke ngisenda ama-DM like uma ngasane ngenza i-location drive ngizokwenza i-demo ngiyisendele uZandile uma ngenza i-morning shake up ngizokwenza i-demo ngiyisendele uZandile uma ngishintsha uhlelo nje i-demo yami ngiyisenda kanjalo fike ngilalela uhlelo because umfana sekhaya my younger brother ubejwayele ukuthi angirecord mangenza uhlelo I recorded the whole show uma ngifike endini ngifike ngiyilalele lalela ngathi okay la ngizokwenza kanje ngikhipha 5 minutes yabo kwishow ka 3 hours ngikhipha 5 minutes engizokwazi ukuthi ngiwusend yabo for i-demo yami angilokenza nje kanjalo and then ngo-2018 ngo-March futhi uMarch wasuphakathi you know and then I got a call eqhamuka uKhosini futhi ngase ngigcine nge-morning shake up uku-apply asenginesikhathi nje ngasa-apply asenginesikhathi eside because I was like bro I think ngiyisayenzeka lento radio mina angitshela ukuthi eradioini because babengitshelile esigele ukuthi 1 iradio ayinamali
sure
2 uma ufuna ukuduma ungayi eradioini 3 i-experience laphana edingwayo ukuze ungena uKhosini noma ku-commercial udinga u3 years so mina ngibambe leyo umthetho lekuthi mengaphela u3 years uKhosi ngakangibizi futhi ngeke iziyenzeke lento
so took 5 years manje
sengiku5 years manje so ngiyamtshela uSiphokazi seku4 years ngiyamtshela uSiphokazi ukuthi ekuseyilalela ngiyayeka mina lento eradio yabo uthi uSiphokazi ngicela ungiphi unyaka oyi1 nje mfethu yabo because uyayishaya lento mfethu
uSiphokazi
angisebenza naye eNand FM yabo shaya hip hop sobabili so vele sengikwi hip hop yabo sengiyabona vele ukuthi abajwayele vele kuma rate amakhulu ukuthatha umuntu osebenza ebusuku ngithi ngingena ngo7 ngiphuma ngo9 futhi nakhona ngingena ngolosihlanu nangomgqibelo ngithi angisaboni ukuthi khona irate ngayo engangifonela iTexas yakudinga zwakala ngithi ayisipokazi ngiyayeka mina lento yabo and at that time ngenza hip hop ngase ngithole nomsebenzi sengisebenza like a workshop esitolo seyimpahla ngangiku retail you know ase ku salesman lapha sengivele ngibona ukuthi sengiyayenza vele inyuku ngapha hayi rate ngiyabona ukuthi angenza inyuku isikhathi esiningi spenda khona ngiyayeka
sure so sizongena ke ekutheni wathola icall yokhosini bese sixoxa go cause I've got ama follow up questions kwezinye izinto oyishilo around istay sakho eNandi ngizoqala la umenshine ukuthi ama shows ubhuti wakho wayerekhodela wona bese uyawalalela then you would cut those 5 minutes ozowenza idemo but okumina okungigqamele kulokho ukuthi wawalalela ama shows wakho and I just want to know why is that important or why is it important and if it's important at all and kwakwenzelani wena kwayenzelani craft yakho njengomsakazi ukwazi ukuyilalela uyireview ukuthi wenze kanjani
mina kwakungisiza kakhulu lokho ngoba you know ngangine inkinga ukuthi ngangisafuna uqale ngizithole mina you know ngithole mina ipace yami uma ngisakaza ngithole kahle ulihlophe you know because I felt like ngangi all over the place whenever ngishama links you know whenever I do radio so uma ngasani sengithatheke manje i-recording sengiyilalela okay ngiyeza ukuthi yazi bengenze ngi-back announce le ngoma bakuthiwa kanje bakuthiwa ngiyaphinda futhi ngiyayi-back announce uma next time ngingazama ukuthi le ngoma ngiyi-back announce ngenze kanje uma ngazama ipace yami ukuthi ikwazi ukumatcha le ngoma le you know kumele ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi I prepare live read you know like ngibheke izinto engingakwazi ukuthi ngizenze kangcono next time you know kwangisiza lapho ungilalela ngibona hayi ngeke le link la ngiyishaya ngakahle angikho happy ngayo le link lena you know bese ngiyalalela ngithi imnandi ke lena ke link ke yabona so I need to make sure ukuthi uma ngiqala ngishaya ake ngiqale ngale ndlela okay ngiqale ngesikhathi ngaqala ngeradio ngaqala ngegama le stage okay ake ngiqale ngalokho ke manje just to make izinto zibe interesting umuntu angathi mina liyathi uyazi ukuthi ulime ngene uzothi umsakazi ukhoze FM you know sometimes I even ngiqhamuka ngithi 24 minutes past 3 you know like ngizama indlela zokuthi ama link wami ngiwaqhamuke ngakhona so that umuntu akwazi ukungipredict akube lula
I think that's important Fethu and I thought we should highlight that ngoba iqiniso lithi noma kuthi talented kangakanani kodwa uyadinga ukuthola feedback uyadinga ukuhlala usebenza kwi-craft yakho all the time as a result abantu the most talented footballer in the world Lionel Messi uyajimini every day ajime every day kodwa unalo lonke talent unaso sonke skill so but hence ukubaleka kwe-practice nokubuka ukuthi ngabe ngisahamba khona indlela enga-improve khona so I think that's important and probably it played a role in ekubekeni ulila ekhona
even namhlanje mina isikhathi esiningi ngingena ku-live you know and then I record myself while I'm doing show you know interacting nabantu and everything and then bese ngifika endlini bese ngiyidlala live wami wonke you know so ama links wami and everything you know how I interact with people yonke leyo nto le okay nah I think I'm doing this too much let me just try do this kanje
so you snoop
I do snoop myself and mina you know even mina noma kuthiwa uyangifonela you know ungilalela usay yo lingi kulalele mfana uyenza kahle le mfana awuzama ukuyenza kanje angiyena umuntu othatha like ngizophatheka kabuhlungu ngithi why lo mjide yenza leyo nto le you know because like uThandeka shout out to Thandeka Msana you know uThandeka Phathwenanda shout out to Thandeka Msana so wayinganqeni thola ukuthi ngibusy ngishaya link kumona ngishake up angisendele message athi ayilile link yakhe hayishayi khona shaya khona leli yakho or else ngishayile iscript mhlawumbe khona lento ukuthi uzokhumbula manje musothi 10 minutes past 3 uthi oh my goodness kuna script uzoshaya iscript awusekho prepared ngaso le script khona amagama uzothola uzowagibela lawo angisendela message wazi wayifunda kabi live read yami so lezo zinto lezi zingikhulisile ekuthenini ngiyivule iroom yokuthi umuntu angikhulisa so that ngizokwazi ukukhula because into engiyincanywayo le mina angiyena umuntu othi i-rating ngitholile nje because of this and this and that mina i-radio ngiyincanyiwe ngiyayenza i-radio ngiyayithanda i-radio ngine-passion yayo i-radio
nice
wow that's good to hear.
Two follow-up questions in one. One, umentionile ukuthi kwi-community radio and you mentioned ukuthi akhona. That's one obvious challenge abantu abaningi abayifesa ama-community radio. Yes, akhona ama-community radio aholelayo and bakhona mhlawumbe nalawo ongaholi khona mhlawumbe uzothola bakhona abasazi ababehola ngenxa zama-shows abawenzayo and all of that. But what are challenges that you personally faced with community radio? Are there any challenges that you feel like it made it difficult for my stake with radio? And then the second part of that question is, what did those challenges, or maybe not even those challenges, ukusebenzela i-community radio, what did it do for what you do now? Or causing, do you feel like kubalulekile ukuthi ube naleyo experience ye-community radio uma ngabe usebenza kwi-platform efana no-Cause?
Ngingathi ama-challenges bro ayimali bana bengakutshela ngihola malini but ngengize ngikwazi ukuthi ngisho because kunabafowethu engibahloniphayo nodadewethu engibahloniphayo abasekusona lesi space se-community
but wawuhola uthi wawuthola i-stipend?
I-stipend yangisithola i-stipend ngingasho nje ngithi yona into eyayingidraina kakhulu because yona into eyagcina yenza ukuthi ngigcine sengifuna nomsebenzi sengibona ukuthi okay I've been prioritizing lento ye-radio but sengiyakhula manje I'm 25. I think I was 24-25 at that time and I'm like I think I need ukuthola umsebenzi ozokunikeza imali and i-radio ngiyitreat as a hobby. Because I've been treating the radio as a career for isikhathi eside, so now I need to change that mentality yokuthi i-radio i-career ngiyenze ibe i-hope and ngingene kwi-reality yempilo yokuthi ngiyofuna umsebenzi because kumnandi ukuhlala kwiphupho uphila iphupho lakho kumnandi but if lingakunikezi leyanto leya oyidingayo wena mina ngiyilo muntu othi if into inganginikezi lento engiyidingayo let me just switch ngibuka ukuthi kwi-reality ngingakwazi ukuyithola lento engiyifunayo so I had ukuthi ngithola umsebenzi because of i-challenge enganginayo kwakuyinyuko yabo so kumbuzo wesibili ngingathi very important ukuba ne-background ye-community very important mina ngisize kakhulu because izinto eziningi ngiyazi-understanda manje kwi-radio even izinto ezenzakalayo ngiyabona ukuthi lento vele sengahlangana nawo before ngiyayazi yonke into kuba easy even ukusebenza nabantu kuba easy ukusebenza nabantu be-radio kuba easy uyazi ukuthi kumele u-expecte ini uthole ini wenze ini kanjani so la background layer is very important ukusebenza kwi-community radio station.
Ngizosho into controversial esike sisho Ntokozo but I don't think angazi masake sayisho yini emoyeni ukuthi it's controversial kwabanye. I hope not though. Ukuthi baningi abasakazi mfethu abanganayo community background who are talented and they're doing beautiful radio. Kodwa kudlebe olidlulile kwi-community radio mawulalele you can tell technically ukuthi something is amiss. They generally get something wrong, things wrong. Ngoba baqalanga la esaqala khona kwi-community radio. Kwi-community radio uyacathuliswa and at a certain stage kumele ugijime futhi uzenzela yonke into wena. So umsakazi ipoint engizama ukulisho ukuthi mawulalela umuntu osebenzile kwi-community radio nongasebenzile kwi-community radio isikhathi esiningi uyakwazi ukuzwa umehluko. Nanokuthi yazi ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi ulalela mhlawumbe ulalela radio and uyezwa ngendlela i-radio yenzeka ngakhona
mhlasimbe ngithi ngene indaba bese ngene indaba mhlawumbe umuntu adlale I show sting, you know, mhlawumbe adlale I show promo and bese adlale I station ID, you know, and then abesazodlala ama ads, you know, and you realize ukuthi no lo muntu lona na khona la kumele uthandlule khona ama basics as ukuthi every time I station ID is very important. You're not young, like umubuye indabeni, the only thing you'll do before ads is PlayStation ID, you play your promo, and then you go to, and then umusubuya you do the same thing. If ushaye link, you do the same thing. Station ID, yonto kuqala every time, because uma ngasane manje hayi ngithi ngilalele radio, and le radio bathi ngilalele mhlawumbe ngifikile indaba seyiphela, and then mayiphela indaba sengezwe inumber 2.0 bese kuphela lo number 2.0 lo jingle bese kuyangena lihlophe bese ngena ingoma, you know, kuzomela ngicabange manje ukuthi konje lo muntu ekuthi lihlophe usebe ukuyiphi rate kwinumber ibi leyo rate le kanti uba kuthiwa nje uvula wathi kuphela indaba wadlala lolu ukhozi olumaphiko obvious engiyazi ukuthi lihlophe usokhozini wenza inumber simple.
Yeah, I get you and I agree with you 100%. Now based on what you have just shared with us ngejourney yakho, you ukhuluma ngokuba so khosini through idrama uqala kwakho ukuthi ube ne contract khona was through idrama.
Yeah
and uveza ukuthi wawufuna noma yiliphi ithuba elingakufaka ngaphakathi, and most of the time yileyo jwayele ukuthi ibe miss call kubantu abaningi emqondweni wethu. Ngicwela ukuthi nje mina ngifuna ukuvulela umbhobho ngisakazi, you understand, but laphana ziningi ezinye izinto, kunabasakazi, kunama contributors, kunabavele bangene benze umgosi. Your former colleague uSel Beyonce wafika ukhosini ezokwenza umgosi khona. So can you emphasize the importance, especially for the other guys who want to get in, the importance of understanding ukuthi ziningi indlela zokwazi ukungena? Not just ukuthi kumele uzuyothola uhlelo
yes, ziningi indlela zokungena, you know, because nami ngarealize sengifika ngaphakathi ukuthi kanti kunje kanti la ngaphakathi kune drama la kunalokhu just ukuthi abantu abaningi hlezi befuna ukuthi babe abasakazi, you know, there is producing, there is compiler, kunabantu abahlalela nje ukulalela umculo ozoyongena e-station, you know, umsebenzi wabo nje ukulalela umculo. Kunabantu abaka marketing, kunabantu abaka sales, kunabantu kuningi okwenzakalayo ngaphakathi, you know, ongakwazi ukuthi ukuthola, you know, ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ugcine probably ukuba kwakho ngaphakathi kwa sales uba ngcono mhlawumbe ukufaka kwakhe into zakho ukuthi okay next time ngifuna ukwenza lokhu kahle mina ngine talent lokwenza lokho. Yazi khona usasho lento oyishoyo entokozo kunale out ekuthiwa usomnyama, you know, usomnyama ufunda ukhumalo.
Yeah,
usomnyama ufunda indaba ukhosini and sonke simazi ukuthi ufunda indaba, but usomnyama is a very good radio presenter kumaskandi.
Okay,
very good radio presenter kumaskandi, you know, and kune out ekuthiwa uSikhumbuzo Mkhize. uSikhumbuzo Mkhize ufunda indaba ukhosini.
Yes,
uSikhumbuzo Mkhize is a very good guy kulento kwisport. Mina uSikhumbuzo ngihlangana naye eNanda wayishaya ibulletin esport.
It's talented because ufunde neindaba nakuLotus FM.
Ufunde neindaba nakuLotus FM. You know what I mean? Like ukuthi at some point akumele ukuthi lento bukathi uzivalele boxing. You know, mina kusukela ngoSeptember last year bekade ngivoice over cousin. You know, make sure ubaba
nalgama lakhe liphuma.
Yeah, so make sure na yena imini bekade lento. Imini bekade a voice over, you know, so ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibe voice over, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibe umsakazi, ngiyakwazi ukuba uDrama, like ayiki show engithi mangiyinikezwa
ubaba uMartin Ziqubu,
ubaba uZiqubu. Yeah,
I know, I could Google in my head.
Ngibhizi ngizokubheka yena.
Yeah, ubaba uZiqubu. Yeah. So kutheme ngidlulele emhlabeni kwathi ngoSeptember they approach me ukuthi ekseli ungakwazi ukusenzela into ethile, you know, I've never done that, but let me try. You know, from September until February this year, you know, you know, like ungazivaleli, you know, lokubhekela into eyi-1 nje kuphela.
There's something interesting oyishilo ngifuna usikhumbuza yona abakutshela yona esikoleni bathi radio 1 ayinamali.
Yeah.
Bathi 2 ungangeni kwi radio mawufuna ifame.
Yeah.
3 kambe kusithathe kuphi? Kade ukubala nje manje ama advisor wathola esikoleni bathi ayinamali.
Experience kumele kube ungena with
3 years. Yeah, 3 years.
Minimum of 3 years experience.
Okay, udinga a minimum of 3 years experience.
Yeah.
Now you are where you are. Now asikhulume ngemali ayinamali ini radio. Tapela sasikhuluma nomuntu. Now you are walking the walk. You are there. So I want to know
I think my lecture into ayisho ukuthi don't expect ukuthi uzoba millionaire. You know? Just expect ukuthi uzothola imali yokuphila.
But ngibone mina abantu bakwi radio angeke ngimention amagama abantu.
Yeah.
Abaphila.
Butebu.
Yeah, I'm not gonna mention names.
Yeah.
Driving beautiful cars.
Yeah.
Living in beautiful neighborhoods.
Yeah.
So Tina masibuka lokho sibona imali.
Yeah.
You understand?
No, I think the advice was to prepare me ukuthi musukuya ngama expectation athile uma ngasane land uthi uyayithanda.
All right.
Musukuya ngeexpectation ukuthi lapha nizofike ube nemali eningi. You know, because ukuba kuthiwa mina ngaya ngomqondo wemali ngangize ngiqhubeke ne-community radio station because laba abawu4 enganginabo because babe naleyo nto ukuthi bayoba nemali ku-community, you know, bafike bayeka ngasala mina ngingedwa. You know, because mina ngase ngivele ngazi ukuthi lana angizile ngenhloso ukuthi ngifuna imali. You know, ngize ngenhloso ukuthi ngifuna experience bese ngiyothola imali phambili.
Oh, ikhona imali kodwa iphambili.
Iphambili, yeah.
Ikuphi iphambili? Yeah, so you say yacha ikhona but iphambili kuphambili. Sifuna ukufika phambili phela.
Yeah, I think nowadays you're right.
Yeah.
No, sorry. No, ngaqedela le point yakho ngifuna which is related to
that. Yeah.
All right. But the honest truth, Lee, Nami, I'm just asking a question, but we have seen ukuthi vele in different radio station abasakazi baba kwi-level engafani kuya ngokuthi brand useyakhe kangakanani, which are other brands that are willing to associate with them and all of that. I do understand.
Yeah.
But then uthi futhi ungangeneli fame.
Yeah.
But according to me,
yeah,
you can't move radio away from fame.
Yeah.
Within isiteshi osebenza kusona there are stars.
Yeah.
Yabo? There are people who are stars. Maybe bonakala endaweni ezithile, people go crazy.
Yeah.
I remember when I was young, uthe ukhule ulandela uLinda Sibiya. Bengabe lapha ne workshop eGugudla Mini Park, people will go crazy. Now that is fame.
Yeah.
So then saying ngakho ngifuna ukubuza experience yakho ngala ama point ayewasho
So I think, you know, uLinda Sibiya angithi ube famous enziwa yini i-radio ukuthi abe famous.
Yeah.
You know, so umuntu bekade famous yini ivoice yakhe bekade famous.
Yeah.
And at some point leyo voice lesagcina sifuna ukwazi ukuyibona leyo voice. So if mina ngizothi ngenza i-radio and I want to be famous for yona i-radio kusho ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi ngenze nezinye izinto ezingasayona i-radio phakathi, ne? So manje kuzophoqela ukuthi manje na ke angishifte kulento mina engiyithandayo ngigcina sengenza nezinye izinto ezongenza ukuthi ngibe famous, you know, not that ukuthi uma ngasane uyenze i-radio ngeke uzube famous, you know, uyaba famous, but baningi bangakho abasakazi obaziyo abangekho famous, abantswimpu who are not famous. Mina even Mashabela like kade ngamlalela show 9 to 12 but ngize ngamazi manje ne podcast David Mashabela.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of guys who are good in radio but obas they're not even famous. Obaboni.
Yeah, but ukungababoni, does it mean they are not famous?
Their voice are famous.
Because as soon as you hear who's in the room, the atmosphere changes.
Yeah.
So okay, asithukuyihlehlisa.
Okay.
Okwamanje i-radio sihlukile vele manje.
Yeah.
Abasakazi sesiyabazi because of the power of social media. But if u rewind up back maybe early 2000s, 90s, besingabazi abasakazi because the social media was not there. But you make wezwa kuthiwa uyena uEddie Zondi lo because you knew the name. So the name would be famous.
Yeah.
So will that not count as fame?
Yeah, naso ngayibala as i-fame, but kunomehluko ukuya endaweni because inhloso yakho yi-fame. Nokuya endaweni ube sofika udunyiswe yiyona lento yenzayo. You know? So if uzoya kwi-radio because inhloso yakho ufuna ukuduma, uzoba nenkinga. But uyakwazi ukufika kwi-radio bese iyakudumisa.
Yeah.
That's the point. Ukuthi don't go there because you want fame. Go there because uyayithanda lento, because kuzokwenzeka ufike ungayitholi i-fame.
Yeah.
You know, but doesn't mean ukuthi awukho good. You are good, but i-fame ayithandanga wena.
Yeah.
You know, because uma ngathana kuthiwa i-fame yona into esiyijahayo ku-radio ngabe sonke si-famous, sonke siduma ngabe sifana ne-TV. You know,
Yeah.
because uma ku-TV like once wangena definitely so famous because wonke umuntu uyakubona, wonke umuntu uyakwazi. You know.
By the way, there are people now on TV with modern times have changed. Abangekho famous about TV. Now, everything has changed now because even now radio man, you need to be famous, you know, because of uyazi ukuthi kusetshenzwa kanjani manje. Ngike ngabona abantu bejabulela umuntu mina ngingamazi. Bangitshela ukuthi udlala kukuthi. No, I'm telling you the truth. Bangitshela ukuthi udlala kukuthi, yabo. Yabo. So that is why ngithi ikhathi have changed so much manje, yabo.
Kakhulu uthola ukuthi wena umazi ingane yakhe yamazi. Yeah, uyamazi ngane yakho ngoba hleze dansa lapha ku TikTok, wena ngithi
famous ku TikTok akekho ku TV. Exactly.
Yeah, uthola ukuthi wena uzomtshela ukuthi ekuse hey uyamazi ukuthi ubani loya. Yabo. La awuthi sebenza endaweni ethile. Sebenza ekhosini la awuthi hayi ngabunandaba ingane.
Kodwa umuntu wa ku TikTok.
Ngithi lapho lo muntu wa ku TikTok. Yabo. So isikhathi ishitshile ikhaya.
Fame, ngisho ukuthi fame is relative. It just depends ukuthi ufamous ikubani. Khona ufamous ikubona, khona ungekho famous ikubona.
Yeah.
But Tumbez, I have a question. Who's close to indaba yemali? Ngikhuluma ngemali. I remember when you were talking about Uma. You did say that she's now late.
Yeah, she's late.
Wadlula leni mamhlabeni?
Uma wadlula ngo-2018 unyaka engaqashwa ngawo Khosini. Ngafike ngaqashwa ngoMarch and then kwathi ngo-April evikini lesithathu washona uma. Yeah, so that is why ngingazi ukuthi mangicabanga ngokuqashwa kwami Khosini kumele ngijabule noma kumele ngingajabule because I lost someone who's very important, you know. So yeah, kwaba into kanjalo. So makazi even u10 rand wami, akazi even 5 rand wami. You know, khona la ngijwayele ukuthi mangifika ekhaya, khona istop ekhaya kuthiwa kaZulu. So nomama nje umama besonta naye, bebejwayele ukuthi bawukhuleka naye njalo entabeni. So ngathi mangihlenge ngalesikhathi ngisebenza eNandi FM. So ngathi mangihlike estopini lo mama wathi kumina, "Hey Lindani kunjani?" Ngathi ngiyaphila. Wathi kuhamba kanjani lawo uTohoza khona? Ngathi hayi nokusazameke. Wathi mntanami uma wakho njalo entabeni hlezi ithandazela wena. Ethi uNkulunkulu ungamkhohlwa Lindani. You know, like so ngathi mangifike edladleni ngibuye oledi sengizwile ngathi shuthi oledi njalo mele sentabeni lithandazela mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu angangikhohlwa.
Amen.
You know? Yeah. So kwazi ukuthi mase ifezekile kimthandazo yakhe oledi, you know, because I remember ngithola i-call ngangisemsebenzini ngisebenza access lapha workshop. So mangithola i-call eqhamuka uKhosini, umuntu oqala ngamfonela kwaba yena oledi. Ngathi kusema yazi ngifuna abantu basoKhosini la bathi bangidinga for interview. Wathandaza i-hour lonke oledi. Mase ngizwa ngomfana sekhaya sengixoxela manje oledi sendlulile ukuthi uyazi ukuthi the time yakwi interview ioledi lathi la ekhaya u2 days onke asingadli. Sizile ukudla. So that uzokwazi wena ukuthi uthole isipani.
Wow.
You know. And then mase konke lokho kwenzekile uNkulunkulu decided ukuthi ekuse uzothi moyithola lesi sipani lesi ngise ngiyalithatha oledi.
Sorry for that.
Yes.
Ukuthi into enhle ekwamele ngabe ngiyayicelebrate as umndeni.
Yeah.
Uma walahleka wayegula
Yeah, wayegula wayenoshukela, you know, wayibanje ushukela yeah, but wongawapheli even 2 years wamsheshisa nje ushukela wakhe. Yeah, amsheshisa nje ushukela wakhe.
Yeah.
And uma azange ngilalela even kakhulu. I think ngilalela kayi1 because ngisasenanda nje like 5 years onke uma ngaze ngilalela.
Because wayekude na
wayekuze wayihlezi nje ethi hayi no kushuthi uyayenza lento akunako lokuqhubeka nayo yabo lokho ngikhuthaza. So manje la sengilalela khona wangilalela I think wangilalela kayi1, you know, because I remember ngimfonela ethi ngikulalelile.
Wow.
Ngikuzwe.
And again nje kwangana wow nje it was good ukuthi umsebenzi
umuzwa kodwa ngoba phela omakhelwane noma kani yeah. You know, ngikulalile umakhelwane hayi Lindani mntanami siyabonga.
Wow.
Yeah.
But ngoba usungenile cousin, so the reason I was saying I wanted to link this with money. Uma wayirezile indaba yemali.
Yeah.
Or even your lecturer told you ukuthi kunenkinga yemali kube nomsakazi. Kodwa uma wayebuzile ukuthi uzokwazi ukuphila ngokuba umsakazi. So usungena cousin, ngabe lokho kwadala ukuthi uma abone ukuthi kungenzeka noma wahamba engakazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka noma cha.
Uma wahamba engakazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka wayengakazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka because uma I understand even indaba ye-rate, you know, ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyosebenza ekhosini wathi Lindani mntanami ungayikhohlwa neNanda FM uhlala uye khona nakhona uyosakaza. And I'm like, no, mayivumelekile.
No, this is a special condition. Kumele uyikhulume nabaphathi ukuthi nansi ngiyacela iOledi uhlala bavale.
Ungabakhohlwa labantu Lindani. Ulana khona nje ibona.
Isihlahla.
Yeah, ne? What an advice. Now, so you now receive the call from Ukhozi. You're at work.
Yeah.
And then you are called for an interview. I've never had the privilege of being called for an interview in such a big station. I want you all to ngithathe into your journey, preparing ukuya kwi-interview, nabantu bafica kwi-interview, ukuthi, you know, kwakunjani?
Yo bro, all bengifonela nje angizange ngibelieve. You know, I didn't believe. Bengifonela ngatshela umjidi angisebenza nayo uThabo nenye iCherry angisebenza nayo ukuthi ekuseyilalela sengifonele yona ngifonela uKhozi FM for interview. You know, lafika usuku le interview. Ngashona khona. Mangithi ngiyafika ku interview. Ngithi ngiyabheka ubama lo muntu omfishane lapho ohleli lapho uma fresh. You know, should isibiziwe lapha nayo.
Nayo
interview. Same day. So siyazana ke sobabili uma fresh ungazela enana ngishaya ihip hop ngoba wayelethile umngani wakhe yabo kwishow empelezelile. So nami vele ngiyamazi kwizilo mzansi yabo. So manje bengifika ukuthi hayi bunayi le ndoda hayi ngifike ngibhalisa lapha ngereception hayi ke silinde sobabili yabo. So mina ngu 8:30 yena u8:00 yabo. Hayi ke sixoxe ke nawo ma fresh ethi hayi leave nokhona uthathiwe phakathi kwezobabili ungaphatheki kabi. Suthi kahle
uzama ukumotivate.
Hayi vele yazi ibhara seNatal ufuna ukubaqabula. Ethi hayi wena uthathiwe noma kuthathwe mina ungaphatheki kabi futhi akusona sakhe isikhathi siyenza sakhe. Sami siyenza bekuthi kanjani ke hayi relax you know. And then I know sangena shy interview yabo. Ngiqeda interview kwathiwa mangishone eZansi production ngiyoshaya idemo. Ngizwa la mthango shaya idemo ngathi ngizofike ngenze show ke lapha kwidemo.
So who are the people ohleli phambi kwabo lapha aba interviewer? Do you still remember?
I remember ukuthi ngangihleli no Zandile why you program manager Ukhozi FM Zandile Tembe. I remember ngihleli khona yena khona no HR about HR I think aku KB at that time. Sasihleli kwakuyona bebabili. Yeah. And then no head of marketing wayikhona but she didn't say anything, you know, wayikhona to you know to see ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo. Kwakuyibona nje bobathathu yabo. Yeah.
Okay, but the part when allow yaba exciting ukuya studio.
Yeah.
Alright. Ufica bani studio?
So uma ngifika e-studio ngifica uMajozi yena orecordisa abantu. So bonke abantu bafika bazoshaya ama interview. Mina ngitshela ukuthi mina kuphela ubiziwe kanti baningi abantu ababiziwe lana. Yabo sengifika lapha
kune queue yokungena e-studio.
No. Vele thina sinoma fresh esibiziwe ekseni.
Khona
abasezi. Thina abasezi, khona abasezi. So ngibamba la kulo muntu engikhuluma naye ukuthi uthi hayi no khona abantu ekuthiwa ngibalinde baseza abanye. Yabo hayi no ngafika mina shaya link yami. Shaya link yami uMajozi.
So any guideline. Funa nje usinarrate tell story ukuthi enza idemo yeshow kanjena. Are you given any guideline?
Into abayisho nje bathi ifika lapha na ushaya idemo ka 5 minutes.
Okay.
You know, shaya demo ka 5 minutes uzobona ukuthi ukhuluma ngani wenza ini thina sifuna ukubona nje understanding yakho sizwe understanding yakho yale nto ufuna ukungena kuyona ukuthi uyazi kangakanani you know vele mina like i foundation yami is strong mina ngiphuma escale bengifundele radio I know ukuthi inelindelekile kumina ngiphuma e-community radio station foundation yami strong ngiyayazi idemo ngiyayazi yonke into ngiyazi ukuthi idemo kumele ukuthi ngandluli kuphi kumele ngenze kanjani idemo ekuthiwa 5 minutes ngiyazi mina ngizobashayela 4 minutes because ngiyazi lo 4 minutes yini ebalekile kahle kahle kudemo because kudemo kulalelwa nje only 30 seconds and then umuntu abesathi done you know so ngeleso sikhathi akayilaleli yonke leyo nto because uyakwazi ukuza umsakazo umuntu ukuthi nangu umsakazo now uvulile ukuthi uyazi ukuthi umsakazi lo uyakwazi ukuthi hayi awukwazi ukunikeza umuntu second chance ulaleli rate la kuyadlula grade laleli ngirate
so kule demo yalaphana ama demo phela yabo ayabhandishwa yabo uyekhatha kulungiswa sengisho la wenziwe itudio so laphana awunganayo
no
on the microphone you go
on the microphone laphana like go you know on the microphone laphana like go ngishaya link lapha ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngakhuluma ngestory esasanda kwenzeka esikasomizi ngashaya sona leso story ngabe sengathi uma sibuya ngala siyaqhubeka khona ngikuphathele kona you know wabe sidlala i-drop in uma ngasadlala i-drop in ngaphinde ngabuya futhi ngashaya enye link you know ngashaya enye link ngabe singaye ngomini yabo so ngayishaya i-demo yami ayizange zifike na ku 3 minutes yami demo
and then you were done
and then I'm done.
And then you left.
Then I left.
And when does the call come through then? It's again, no. And then you made the cut.
The call come when ngisemsebenzini, you know. Ngibhizi laphana ngiyasebenza laphana
pheka
amateki laphana ngiyakhumbula kune client angibhizi nalo laphana lifuna size 4 ngigijime phezulu lifuna size 5 ngigijime phezulu ngibuye nalo lite ngithi mangiyabuya le out ayiseko le ngifune lite ngithi yayibona le ndase store you know ngisabuyele emuva ngithi ngithatha i-break ngithi ifoni yami ya ring it's okay 031 ngithi hey guys mhlawumbe ngibona labantu sabona so li ukhuluma no KB khona no progress manager wethu lana uZandile uyaphila ngithi hayi no ngiyaphila kuthiwa li bangifonela uLusini bathi li njengamanje sifuna ukwazisa ukuthi usuthathiwe omunye wabasakazi boKhosi FM athi
yo
what you know
you feel like resigning now
bro like what wathi yena yeah sesikuthathile manje siwumsakazi woKhosi FM sifuna nje ukuthi sikutshele ukuthi njengamanje labo kade usebenza khona yenza iplan ukuthi ubazise ukuthi awuseyena manje umsebenzi wabo
basho Inanda FM
yeah I like no problem avala ucinga athi Mthibuzi mesiphuma lana ngo6 mfethu ngicela ngiphelezele ngifuna nge-internet cafe you know so same time ngahamba afika internet cafe ngadraft resignation letter
yo
resigning lapho kufuneka Friday ngiyongena ngishaya ihood up ngo7 resigning immediate effect I send kuthandeka uma Thandeka receiver ophendula I think around 9 what it noted you know what it noted okay ungasane
wasisho izathu to resignela
no ngizange ngikusiza ukuthi ngathi ngiyaresign because of I'm working like ngezimsebenzi so angisenazo isikhathi sokuseka yabo sengifuna ukufocus lana wathi okay cool noted angina stress sayivala kanjalo ekseni incingo because wayengitshela ukuthi lungisa indaba yakho neNanda because of ekseni SABC izokhipha statement official statement ukuthi nawe usuyingxenye yoKhosi FM
yes
ekseni ngavusa ama calls
from
people bengifonela ukuthi li siyakubona le igama lakho yabo phela khumbula ukuthi thina siqashwa laphana imina uMafresh uMdonso uZile siqashwa after uKhosi lagcina ukuqasha ngo2010
you
know so kuzoqashwa thina ke manje ngo2018 yabo people were crazy bro
wow
bro Lee congratulations ngithi ngiyagela ku Facebook is buzzing uFacebook wami yazi uhlezi quiet yabo ngisebenze nana most like ngipostile comment abantu aba4 bro comment abantu aba4 bro not nama likes awu20 bro, like manje say hey mengiposta nje ngithi ngiyaposta hayibo yikuphi manje la, you know, so ngafonela la uyena umphathi nanda, you know, ngifonela Lindani awusasho ngani kanti uqashwe ukhosini, ngithi mina bekuthi ngisazokutshela mphathi athi hayibo siyakubongela Thumbezanga, ngathi ngiyabonga ngisazofika kahle soxoxa kahle athi hayi no ufika, ngafonela noNdlovukazi Maphule naye Lindani siyakubongela siyabona ukuthi likuthathile ukhozi siyabonga athi ngiyabonga kakhulu Ndlovukazi, ngiyabonga bese wathi ke anginezi advice ukuthi kuse uziphathe kahle wenze show lapho uthi ushaya isipani vele wena dithi yakwazi ukuthi awuyena umuntu othanda izinto like awuyena umuntu ohlezi ekukhulumeni zonke lezo zinto lezo, so siyakuthemba ukuthi uzokwenza kahle, you know, and then yeah kwaba kanjalo nje, you know, but
So it's been 8 years now. Am I correct?
9 years.
9 years.
Wow,
9 years.
almost a decade.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, 9 years. Usuku lami lokuqala ke sengisebenza kukhosini. Ngathi ngivula nje mic ngithi nje uLihlophe umsakazo uKhozi FM number 2.0. Wo incingo.
Yeah.
But before la kumina abantu besingakholwa abantu ngiseni message besingakholwa ngempela ukuthi uzokhosini. And ngasekhaya babe campile ngasekhaya because ishow ngangiyenza ngena ngo11 ebusuku, yeah, ngolesihlanu babe campile ngasekhaya bangifonela ngiyazi ukuthi ngiku loud speaker umuntu yo we happy bro, we happy for you, you know, like yeah, hey, it is amazing, yeah.
Now it is so amazing. You have stayed with Ukhozi for 9 years. Just quickly, number is the show mina ngikwazi ngayo kuKhozi. Have you done any other show?
Yeah, I did number. In fact yona sengiyenze kakhulu.
Yeah, singakho mina kuyona ngikwazi le.
Yona ngiyenze kakhulu. Ngenzile number ngenza ishow ya Sunday ekuthiwa uJi lomphefumulo iNergay. Ngenza ishow yasekuseni ekuthiwa iKhwezi lokusa. In fact yenze kahle kakhulu na because I even nominated kuma Best Night Show kuma Telkom Radio Award.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah. And then ngathola even award ngaphakathi emsebenzini for most grown show.
Nice. Wow.
You know, nayi number naye ngathola award kumasaha South African Hip Hop Radio Award, ngathola i-award Best Radio Award, nangaphakathi ngathola futhi i-Most Grown Show.
Oh, nice.
For yona number 2.0. Yeah, iwona ama shows sengikwenzile nje sekulike ama show nje sengikwenzile. Yeah.
I-interest yami ila kwi-number kwi-Nanda FM you did hip hop.
Yeah.
I-hip hop show, and then nakuKhozi mawuqala uthathwe ungena kwi-number which is a hip hop show. Are you a hip hop person noma ukuba talented kwakho as umsakazi ukuthi la uplug kwakhona uyakwazi ukuthi ube plug and play?
Ukuba talented kwami ukungithathile kwangibekela because I remember engifonela uthandeke ngitshela ukuthi uzonginikeza i-hip hop. I was skeptical ngeshow, you know, like okay obesathi hayi no ngiyakuthemba uzokwazi ukuyenza lena, and into wangitshela yona mase ngifonela sengithathe uKhosini wathi uyakhumbula ngikutshela ngithi yenze le show. Yeah.
So then my last question on this, another thing that other people should learn about the industry is the importance, what would you say, the importance of ukuba fluid. Ukuthi radio is not about what you love. You can be a character, you can be given a jazz show, you can be given a choir, you can be kumele ube ready to be plugged no matter go.
Yeah, because even now ngenza isicathamia, you know, like I've never thought ukuthi ngenza isicathamia empilweni yami.
Wow.
And unyaka we-6, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, unyaka we-6 ngisenza, you know. So like mina I'm always ready. You know, I'm always ready. Kuyona yonke show ngiyinikezwayo, I'm always ready. You know, ngisebenzile nasebusuku. Ngiyakhumbula kuphuma umacingwane kusiqi sesizwe. Yeah, wayibiza kanjalo hlela kungizwe. So uma kuphuma yena kwangena mina kuleyo show leyo, you know. Like I'm always ready, bro.
Wow.
Like I'm always ready. Kuyona yonke show. I think it's strength sami ukuba versatile.
Yeah. Great.
Which is good. I think it's good for radio, for your own growth as well, Tumbez. Ngoba 9 years is a long time, my guy.
Yeah.
With the station.
Yeah.
9 years is a very long time. But what awunakho ukusaba njengoba nje uswenza number for isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi lokho kungakuboxa ukuthi ubone njengomsakazi we hip hop ukuthi noma makucatshangwa umuntu in future ozokwenza whatever show ngeke catshanga Lee we hip hop asiphume ngaphandle lo mbuzo ngikubuziswa yini ukubona emsakazweni even nakulona ukhozi ngikhona you know sendibe nestage for isikhathi eside kodwa mabe kufunwa mhlambe ukuthi kuzo replace whatever show be it a midday show weekday whatever the case might be kulanda umuntu ngaphandle but uma ucabanga uthi yazi bakhona osibanibani ukhona une experience has been doing this for a long time what could be the reason engazanga consider issue it's a hypothetical question that I'm asking but the question that I'm asking more is awucabanga ukuthi kuyingozi ukwenza show eyodwa isikhathi eside kangaka ngoba ngagcina kuthiwa hayi uliwe hip hop
mina esidini lami ngingathi angiyiboni ingozi kimina because ngiyazi ukuthi mina ama strength wami it's not ukuthi ngigudi kwi hip hop ngigudi kwi radio you know so lokho kumina kuyangisiza ekuthenini because uma ngasane sekuthiwa senginikezwa enye ishow I think umuntu uyazi ukuthi kuse uLi angakwazi ukuyenza leyo show le because uLi akenzi hip hop kuphela uLi wenza isicathamia uLi wenza ishow ibizwa ngokuthiwa iScoop Sakudala eneyingoma on Thursday eneyingoma ezahlukahlukene like hip hop yakudala kwaito yakudala you know so kona kuyingozi uma ngasane nawe umsakazi uzogcina uzivalela njengomuntu okanjalo you know there is why every time uma ngiqoka ngendlela abantu engifuna ukuthi bangazi ukuthi this guy uyilenta yona you know angiqoki ngendlela abantu abazo expect ukuthi oh yazi umuntu wesishaya isicathume benga expectile ukuthi aqoke kanje yazi umuntu oqoka hip hop onzi hip hop benga expect ukuthi aqoke kanje ngiqwa ngendlela yami kaLindani you know umuntu so that ezo understand ukuthi okay should this guy wenza lama shows because of he's talented ukuthi angawenza wonke lama shows la
No, I get you, Mfethu. So where do you want to go in terms of your radio? By that I mean, are you looking at some stage doing a prime time show? If yes, show I know it's a dangerous question, but I'm not asking Guti tomorrow. So audience, I am partake.
It's a very dangerous question.
I mean, we all have our own development in whatever careers we are in. I know what is it that I'm working towards. So your own personal development.
No man, I would say kubuzo wako mina I'm happy where I'm at, you know. La ngikhona nala mhlasiba abaphatha bangathanda ukungibeka khona because mina khumbula ukuthi mina into engithanda ukhozi, you know. Mina ngithanda ukuba sokhosini, ngithanda ukuba ingxenye yokhozi. I support the project yonke project eqhamuka labaphathi bayibekela kumina bathi we want you this year to do this and this and that and that, you know. I'm not that person, you know, I'm not gonna do this show because this show is, you know, because mina ngifuna ishow ethile, ngifuna ishow ethile. You know ukuthi ingozi yaleyo nto leyo ukuthi mina inhloso yami ngifuna ishow ethile. Ingozi yayo isekuthenini kuzofika umuntu anikezwe ishow and leyo nto wena izokuphatha kabi because uyasifuna lesa sport ikwenza ukuthi ungasabi nayo i-relationship e-right nama colleagues, ungasalaleli even right, ungabi nayo i-relationship e-right ne-management because wena uzothi no bayangivalela why bengangiboni mina ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuyenza lento. Ungasabi ke manje na ke umuntu osupporta i-project le ebekiwe kumele ukuthi nonke ni support ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi i-rate imove iye forward, you know. And leyo nto izogcina seyikwenza manje uhlezi lapha eceleni because kuzothiwa hey lisicela usenzele crossing endaweni ethile because of uyazazi wena ukuthi usafakiwe lapho kade uvese ufuna ukuthi uye khona wena usuyaqala ukuthi no I'm busy kuleyo weekend, usuyaqala umuntu okuphethe ukuthi yambona lo muntu lo shothi kahle kahle udiniwa kuyena umuntu esingasebenza naye lo and then bakubeka eceleni, you know. So there is why mina ngingakufaka kakhulu ekhanda lokuthi ngiyayifuna ishow ethile, ngiyafisa ukuzibona ngikuphi, ngiyafuna mina ngilo muntu othi I want to be the best la ngikhona. Because mina even ngisasenanda wangakwazi ungibona emaphepheni ngithi isifiso sami ukusebenza okhosini Angazi ngibone ngisho lona ngibone inbox abasakaza abakhulu ukuthi hey phela ningifaka kwenziwa kanjani. No, because I knew ukuthi ungasana ufuna ungene radioweni ukuxhumana no programs manager.
Yeah.
You know, I knew lezo zinto lezo. So I knew ukuthi ungasana ngisakaza laphana eNanda angimele ngisakaze angathi ngizokhozini ngisenanda. Because lo lizokwenza ukuthi nabo khozini bangangiboni ngalendlela mina bangibona. Ngangifuna ukuthi mabe ngibona babona it different. With this guy uzara mehluko la. You know, so ngifuna ukuthi namanje nake uma ngasana umuntu engilalela kwishow engiyenza neshow engiyenzayo eze ukuthi uli yazi akasound njengabona bonke abantu ulike different wenza into yakhe ngendlela yakhe and uhappy lana khona. You know, omunye umlaleli waze wa commenta ngi live ethi hey li angikuthandeli isikhatha mina futhi ngendlela o talented ngangikuthandela ishow ethile, you know, but uyangimangaza ngoba uhlezi uhappy mosenza isikhatha mina. So nah, it's not about ukuthi ukuphi, it's about ukuthi wena lento yenza uyayithanda yini.
No, that was a smart answer. It's a tricky question. I've got a last question from my side, Lee.
Yeah.
There's something that you said that I think I just want to clarify and highlight, especially for abalaleli nababukeli, abalaleli bemsakazo nababukeli.
Yeah.
Uthe Lee ngenzeka uma usubhitha ubizwe kuthiwa kune live processing sicela uzosiza sicela ushedule usibanibani bese ungafuni ukwenza uthi ubusy ngoba nakho ubhitha bese ubekwe eceleni bese umphathi mhlaba kubeke eceleni ngenxa zethu ukuba bhitha nendlela busuyiphethe ngayo. So where I'm going with this, we see this a lot actually. We hectic radio season with the changes that recently happened. Abalaleli they get siyamthanda njengabasakazi ezabalaleli. So mangabe usukhishwa wena Lee ngoba thina sazi uLee osakaza kamnandi nosakaza kahle. Kodwa siyazi behavior ka Lee behind the scenes.
The scene, yeah.
Asimazi ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani. Asimazi ukuthi uyayiavaila yini mangabe efuna abaphathi. Asimazi ukuthi kuma emails uthi mangabe communicate nabaphathi. Asizazi izinto ayishoyo kuma engagements one on ones nabaphathi. Buthi masukhishwa usuphuma emsakazweni sivuka indlebo sisukume sithi thina kudlalwa ngoLee siyamthanda. Then my question is, yiziphi izinto ezingadala ukuthi umuntu ayithole ephuma ekubeni ekusakazeni ngaphandle kokuba netalent ngoba italent ungaba nalo kodwa uthola talanele?
Yeah. I think yonke into ebalekile ukuhlonipha, you know, is to respect, you know. Akekho umuntu othanda ukusebenza nomuntu ongamhloniphi, you know. So I think if mina angena umuntu ohloniphayo probably umagaye benochibi ngabe bathena ayithumbeza as much as talented, but I think asikwazi ukusebenza nawe because akusebenzeki nawe, you know. I think ezinye izinto ezibalekile lezo like ukusebenza nje kwi environment enabantu abaningi, you know, ukwenza ukusebenza nabantu kube lula, you know. Mina ukusebenza nabantu ngikwenza kube lula because isikhathi esiningi hlezi ngihost, you know. Ngiwumuntu ekuthiwa ake ngithi mhlawumbe kuthiwa kusiyajika, so ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngibekwe nomuntu engibekwe naye uzothi hey ngisebenza no Lee, obviously uzofuna ukurun i-desk, izofuna angaze ngisebenza naye lo muntu kazi ukuthi kunjani. So if ekwazi umuntu ukuthi but uLee out ehloniphayo out egrand out ekwaziyo umuntu kumvulela indawo uzokwazi ukuthi usebenze, because at the end of the day sizosebenza sonke lana, you know. Sure. So I think nokuziphatha njengomuntu it's very important indlela ukuyiphatha ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani wena, you know, nalento ukuthi uma ngasani usubona ukuthi ke manje naku usunabo abantu bangangeni kakhulu ekhanda ekuthenini usungakwazi ukukhuluma nabo ngendlela right, you know, because ezinye izinto lezo ezigcina zenza ukuthi even umuntu ethanda ukusebenza nawe ethi ngeke ngikwazi ukusebenza nalo because of this and this and this and this and that. Yeah, yena uLee talented but this guy is arrogant. But uLee talented but uLee ufike emsebenzini ephuzile. uLee talented but siyezwa left and right amantombazana ukuthi noma kuthi uyazenza izinto zakho uyatrap amantombazana, wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi kuse lo muntu lona akabahloniphi abantu besifazane ngendlela ayiphethe ngayo, you know. Ezinye izinto mina lezo engiphila ngaphansi kwazo ekuthenini okay if ngisebenza endaweni ekanje because ngiyayazi ukuthi indawo ekanje abantu abambuka kanjani umuntu uma ngasane sebenza kuyona, kumele kube nendlela engiyiphatha ngayo, kube nendlela engikhuluma ngayo, kube nendlela engenza ngayo izinto zami even ngaphakathi even nangaphandle kwe stage, you know. Into engibayiyona ngaphandle nangaphakathi ngibe yiyona.
Sure.
Yeah.
That was my last question.
Yeah, I saw that you are also an author.
Yeah.
I think this is going to be my last question.
Okay.
I saw that you authored a book. Can you tell us about that?
Okay. In fact, ngangabhali ibhuku mina, you know. I was writing ama quotes engangis motivator while I was doing morning shake up because ngangibona ukuthi uthando liyangiphelela, you know, because ngibona ukuthi izinto azisenzeki, so nginokubhala ama quotes nazo zonke izinto, and then ngathi ngi-inviteile omunye u-out ekuthiwa uMduma Thenjo, you know, mingiva lo mjida uyi-editor, you know, wathi lo mjida hayibuli ongivesele into oyibhalile, yazi singayenza lento ukuthi ibe yincwadi. Ngathi ngisho kanje kwathi awuqhubeke ubhale la, you know, angaqhubeka ngabhala nga-eda ney'tori zami, nga-eda wabese ayithatha nowayibuka wayilungisa wabese wathi ayifunele-ke manjena-ke igama ukuthi ungayibiza ngokuthini le ncwadi le. Ngathi le ncwadi le ngizoyibiza ngokuthi I Own My Dream, you know. Wathi why le ncwadi I Own My Dream, ngathi even uma kuthiwa angisafikanga la ngifuna ukufika khona ekhosini, but ngikwazile uku-own iphupho lami, ngasithatha i-steps sokuqala ngangena emsakazweni iNanda FM. So lokho kumina kukodwa nje is to own your dream, you know.
Wow, I Own My Dream. Sithenga kanjani le ncwadi?
Iyatholakala ezitolo, so sisayilungisa futhi ukuthi be available because bekade siphelile.
Okay.
So yeah ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bayithole online. Abantu basazobona.
So it's doing well, my phelile.
Yeah. So abantu basazokwazi nokuthi bayithole, ngisazokwazi ukuthi futhi ngiphinde ngenze indlela ukuthi itholakale like ama hard copy.
Okay.
You know, sisaplan nabantu engisebenzisana nabo.
Alright.
Yeah, ngisebenzisana nenkampani ekuthiwa Iziko Art, so ibona ba ngamele wonke lo umsebenzi lo, so saplan ukuthi manje sokwazi ukuthi senze kanjani ukuthi abantu baphinde bayithole, because like uhleze engigqugquzela umuntu omuhle Mqambi okuyena ophethe Iziko athi liphilo ophinde ubhale incwadi futhi yazi le ncwadi le ukuthi abantu balinikeza kangakanani ithemba le ncwadi I Own My Dream.
I need a copy.
Yeah. I will give to you.
I will buy. No, I will buy.
Oh, okay.
Sengadlula lapho. Eqala ngangithanda ukuphiwa yabo.
Siyathenga manje. No, so you understand ukuthi isebenza kanjani ke, like
wenza event nje.
Bro, like
kumele anginikeze ithikithi yabo.
Uyayibona le nto leyo ukuthi like umuntu athi uzokusupport kodwa ufuna ukufika kuwena mahala. Umsupport kanjani la kuzofikwa usupport abakatalo. Shuthi phela ibilo support wena nge-VIP. But uthi hayi leli ngizokusupport uzofika namagenga u5 mfethu. Sicela ukuthi usinikeze ama VVIP nakhona futhi. Mothi uthi ayabuka VVIP ibiza 1.5 uthi ayizongilimaza. Yeah, uthi ukuthi izongisupport.
Yeah.
Are you still planning on act?
Yeah, nah. But
leave iphupho nikazwa lesa
esaphila, you know. Ngake ngathola i-call ngifonelwa i-colleague ithi Lee yazi khona into abayifunayo ukuthi uhambuza. I think at that time kwakhona iDurban kwakuseyisikhathi eDurban Gen, you know. So uyangifonela ukuthi kuseyili uhamba uzama phela ama-audition labo. Ngiyabonga ngithi hayi no. I think it's right manje kwi-range.
Sehle nje lapha kwa drama. It was a good way of getting in.
Yeah, because
it was a smart way.
Yeah, because of i-drama eyaku radio yangifundisa, because lapha sasi-actor nabantu abaningi aba-actor ababe-actor kuzala at that time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know, I remember when I wanted to get into radio, then this guy was in management kwesinye seyiteshi zala iKZN ezikhuluma isingisi. Wathi angithumele idemo ngifunda indaba. Ngayipractice indaba ngayifunda, ngayisend idemo, but nami ngekho satisfied because it was not my thing. And even ungathathwa nga-understand. I completely understood ukuthi vele ngangibhede kufundeni indaba, but ngangifuna just to get in. You see? So it worked for you. And well done, my guy.
My guy.
Yeah.
I think let's get out of here.
Okay.
Good. Thank you so much for coming through.
Sharp.
Sithola nini okhosini FM nasey'nkundleni zokuxhumana.
Okay, okhosini FM ngo-10 kuya ku-12 o'clock. Ishow siyibiza ngokuthi isigubhu sakudala. Ngomgqibelo ekuseni 5 kuya ku-6 sishaya ucothoza lapho. Ngomgqibelo futhi ngo-9 kuya ku-12 shaya number 2.0. Ku-Facebook Lihlophe LEEH.Hlophe, and then Instagram na TikTok @Lee Radio DJ.
Danke.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. His name is Lihlophe. Catch him on Ukhozi FM. I'm Tobeko Kulusa. He's Dogozo Chapa. This is Podcast Radio and Stuff. Bye-bye.